Hello viewers, it's so good to be back and connecting with you all over again. दो पल रुका यादों का कारवां, लेकिन we are back with a brand new season 10. Yes, it has been 10 years since Z Connect began, and to mark this milestone, we will bring you a lot more than what you have seen so far. Interesting stories, irresistible recipes, music, masti, and a lot of magic. So today is the first episode of season 10, and we want to begin this by going down memory lane with the stars that we grew up watching and whose legacy will live on for generations. The thinking actor Irfan Khan, the timeless Kapoor sign Rishi Kapoor, and the star who made his mark in a very short while but left us too soon, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत. इरफान खान की अदाकारी में हमें एक किरदार दिखता था, not the actor. That is how involved he was. ऋषि कपूर की जब बात निकलती है तो his impeccable collection of sweaters and him dancing on a giant record Om Shanti Om is what comes to one's mind. वो जब ऑन स्क्रीन लिप सिंग भी करते थे तो ऐसा लगता था कि he is singing himself. सुशांत, who conquered our hearts, our on-screen Dhoni, who taught us never to give up in his last film Chichore. Here is a small musical tribute to these wonderful people.
दुनिया ज़माने से रिश्ते मिटाए हैं, तुझसे ही यारी है हमारी, एक बार तो
मैंने निभाया है, करके दिखाया है, ये तेरी बारी एक बारी, तू भी प्यार निभा.
तेरी बेरुखी से है बड़ी उम्र इंतजार की मेरी,
ये मारेगी ज़्यादा मुझे मौत से, नाराज़गी तेरी, नाराज़गी तेरी, नाराज़गी तेरी. लम्हे गुजर गए, चेहरे बदल गए, हम थे अनजानी राहों में, पल में रुला दिया, पल में हंसा के फिर रह गए हम भी राहों में.
थोड़ा सा पानी है, रंग है, थोड़ी सी छाँव है, छूती है आँखों में धूप ये खुले दिशाओं में, और दर्द भी मीठा लगे, सब फासले ये कम हुए, ख्वाबों से रास्ते सजाने तो दो, यादों को दिल में बसाने तो दो.
लम्हे गुजर गए, चेहरे बदल गए, हम थे अनजानी राहों में. दर्द दिल दर्द जिगर दिल में जगाया आपने दर्द दिल दर्द जिगर दिल ने जगाया आपने.
Well, this is only the first episode and there's lots more coming up, but after a really short break. This year has been a challenge across the globe, but here's a huge shout out to all our real heroes, the government of the UAE and all the healthcare professionals across the world. Thank you for your selfless contribution. On Profession versus Passion today, let us go ahead and meet a few of these healthcare workers and see what they have been up to besides managing emergencies. Generally, doctors are perceived to be very serious and boring, right? लेकिन आज on Profession versus Passion, we are going to meet a very fun doctor. Welcome Dr. Prakash Pania on the show.
Hello, thank you very much, Priya, for having me on the show.
Thank you for joining us here, Doctor.
Oh, that's me.
Yes.
That's me.
Right, so आपको देखकर ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगता कि आप boring हैं, serious हैं. You are a very fun doctor, it looks like. ऐसी आपकी personality, that's what you throw off.
ये अगर किताब आप मुझे देना चाहते हो तो थैंक यू वेरी मच. आफ्टर ऑल लाफ्टर इज़ द बेस्ट मेडिसिन. और अगर लाफ्टर नहीं डाला तो फिर सब कुछ बोरिंग हो जाता है, पेशेंट्स का विश्वास उठ जाता है. इसलिए थोड़ा कुछ बनाने के लिए, एक्साइटमेंट बनाने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ नौटंकीबाजी होती रहती है क्लिनिक में.
राइट. सो डॉक्टर प्रकाश, टेल मी अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट व्हाट डू यू स्पेशलाइज इन.
हाँ, तो कहने को मैं डॉक्टर हूँ भी एक्चुअली. आई एम एन एंडोक्रिनोलॉजिस्ट.
सिंस योर पैशन इज एक्टिंग इन फिल्म्स, व्हाट इज इट दैट यू हैव बीन डूइंग इन दैट
इसका बीज तब पड़ा जब 50 कोस दूर गांव में फ्लैशबैक में जाते हैं. तो स्कूल के ज़माने में, कॉलेज के ज़माने में म्यूजिकल स्किट्स, माइम्स, मैड एड्स बहुत करते करते आई मीन एटलीस्ट पैशन को हुनर को मैं एक्साइट करता रहा. यहाँ तक अभी कुछ टाइम पहले हमारा एक इंटर ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्किट कंपटीशन हुआ था. तो हमारे कलीग डॉक्टर जो अच्छे डायरेक्टर और अच्छे एक्टर भी, उन्होंने एक हमारा सीरियस स्किट डायरेक्ट किया था और इत्तेफाक से हमें फर्स्ट प्राइज़ मिला. उसमें मुझे बेस्ट एक्टर का अवार्ड मिला. तो ये सब चीज़ें जब होती हैं तो मुझे लगता है नहीं कहीं तो कुछ एक्टर जहाँ छुपा हुआ था वो अभी उभर के आ रहा है.
हाँ.
अभी पूरा उभर के आना चाहता है, लेकिन पेशेंट की वजह से अंदर रखता हूँ. कहाँ वो लोग विश्वास करना बंद कर देगा ये जो सचमुच बोल रहा है कि एक्टिंग ही कर रहा है. सचमुच ठीक होगी.
दोनों का बैलेंस,
इसलिए बैलेंस, संतुलन बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है.
ट्रू, बट दैट इज ग्रेट. आप दोनों को इतना अच्छी तरीके से बैलेंस कर पा रहे हैं.
जैसे बोला ना, प्रोफेशन के अंदर पैशन डालना बहुत ज़रूरी है. जैसे लव मैरिज अरेंज की जा सकती है, वैसे अरेंज मैरिज में लव हो सकता है ना. वैसे पैशन और आपके प्रोफेशन का ये फ्यूजन है.
Very good example there, I must say.
Exactly. That's how life goes.
So I think you've already given out a very inspiring message to all the aspiring doctors, come actors out there. लेकिन उसमें if you want to add something, what would you like to?
तो ये जो अपने वीरू शास्त्र बुद्धे हैं, वो कहते हैं लाइफ इज अ रेस, यू हैव टू रन फास्ट अदरवाइज विल गेट ट्रैम्पल्ड. भाई साहब, उसको सुनना मत. सुनोगे किसकी? ज्ञानी रणछोड़ दास श्यामल दास चांचड़ की, उर्फ रणछोड़ बाबा. रणछोड़ बाबा वो कहते हैं सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, काबिल बनो काबिल, कामयाबी झक मार के तुम्हारे पीछे आएगी. तो अगर आपने ये कर लिया तो समझो लाइफ सेट है यार. तो डोंट बी बिहाइंड सक्सेस, यू जस्ट फॉलो योर पैशन, इन्फ्यूज इट इनटू योर प्रोफेशन. आई एम श्योर सूनर और लेटर you will find success somehow or the other. Yeah.
That is a superb message. Thank you so much. It's been so much fun talking to you.
Thank you very much for having me. It's wonderful talking to you too.
Thank you, Dr. Prakash. तो आइए अब मिलते हैं हमारे अगले मेहमान से.
Thank you, and much privileged to be here today on Z Connect.
So let's start with you telling us a little bit about yourself. क्या करती हैं आप?
I started my journey as a newsreader on TV, practiced law for some time, and sang for a lot of Assamese albums. मैं हमेशा चाहती थी कि कुछ नया करूं, कुछ explore करूं, something new. Life was absolutely good, and then one fine day, my life and my view towards life changed completely. I was diagnosed with cancer. सो उस डर को दूर करने के लिए and to keep my mind and body strong, I started practicing yoga. And it's been 6 years I'm teaching yoga और मैंने almost 600 to 700 cancer patients को yoga सिखाया है. Now I know this is what I wanted to do.
Okay, so you're a healthcare worker. Well, firstly, kudos to all the selfless contribution by you and so many others like you. And in fact, you're also a cancer survivor and you're truly an inspiration to thousands out there. अच्छा, अब आ जाते हैं आपके passion पे. What is that passion that you nurture?
Apart from yoga, I like to sing. मैं थोड़ा सा गा के सुनाती हूँ. मरहमी सा चांद है तू, दिल जला सा मैं अंधेरा, एक दूजे के लिए है नींद मेरी, ख्वाब तेरा, तू खटा है फुहार की, मैं खड़ी इंतजार की, अपना मिलना लिखा इसी बरस है ना, जो मेरी मंजिलों को जाते हैं, तेरे नाम की कोई सड़क है ना, जो मेरे दिल को दिल बनाते हैं, तेरे नाम की कोई धड़क है ना.
Amazing. Music bhi और fitness bhi. Well, I'm a yoga addict myself. I'd like you to give me and all our viewers a few tips on yoga.
For me, yoga is an ocean. जितना भी आप सीखते जाओगे, उतना ही सीखते जाओगे. So it is very, very important to learn from a guru. किसी अच्छे गुरु से सीखे. And a more important thing is be happy and try to make others happy.
Well, it was wonderful chatting with you, Millie. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much.
सीजन 10 के पहले एपिसोड में अभी भी बहुत कुछ बाकी है. Let's see you after this break. Welcome back. One of our most popular segments, स्वाद से स्वागत में आप सबका स्वागत है. Let's go ahead and see what Tasneem has in store for us today.
स्वाद से स्वागत है आप सबका in a new season of Z Connect. Here we are after months of staying in, and the one thing that we've all been doing while we're in was eating healthy, eating clean, taking care of our health. So I don't see any reason as to why we shouldn't continue doing that. I'm gonna make something that I'm sure all of us have tried during staying in the past few months, banana bread. I do have a little twist to it though, so you'll see as we go on with it. Okay, so dry and wet ingredients. Every time I'm baking, I love separating the two because it's just so easy to work with the consistency and the sponginess of the bread at the end of it. So I'm gonna start with the dry ingredients first. I have, like I said, healthy. So I have half cup of atta, wheat flour, that goes in the big bowl. Half cup of semolina, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I know that's a lot. We will be using 2 tablespoons of maida because we need a little bit of rice. We have 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Just gonna mix these up. And just to finish off, a little bit of sea salt. That's gonna break the sweetness. Please make sure you're using sea salt and not regular salt. Now that we have our dry ingredients ready, we're gonna go into the wet one. So I'm gonna start with eggs. So because they're so tiny, I'm gonna use 2 instead of 1, but if you're using a store-bought egg, you can just use 1. I'm just gonna break the egg in. Now that we've got our egg well whisked, add that in, half a cup of yogurt, and then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of agave syrup. You wanna have all your wet ingredients really well combined. We can go in and add the olive oil, 3 tablespoons. And we go back to whisking. Okay, and the main thing for banana bread, bananas. They're not the prettiest thing on the planet, but they are the perfect ones for the banana bread. I know it seems like it's overripe, but that's exactly what you need. You can probably use them if they're slightly less ripe than this as well, but you want to make sure that they are fully brown and not just specks of brown. So I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna give them a nice mash. churn. Now, there are two options that you have. One, you could butter your tray, your baking tray, or you could just use parchment paper. I'm going to use paper because that's going to reduce the amount of oil since we already have the right quantity of oil that you need in our batter itself. I'm going to use a loaf tin here. So I always like keeping a little extra hang on the baking paper because it's easy to pull the cake out when it's ready. Okay, so I have my baking paper in and just going to pour the batter. So once I have this in, I like giving a little shake, tap it because all the excess air is going to come out and you're going to have a nice even cake. This is going to go into the oven now at 180 degrees centigrade for about 30 minutes or less. Once it puffs up and you see like a nice golden sheen on top, you know it's ready. Let's get her in the oven. So while we're waiting for the cake to bake, I'm going to show you a really good recipe to go with it, a drink. It's really nice and definitely immunity boosting, but besides I wish you guys were here to smell it. Okay, so now we cut it. You usually want to wait for it to cool down a little bit before cutting it, otherwise it just all falls apart. Okay, so this was today's healthy turmeric latte with a twist, as well as a healthy banana bread. Take care. Until then, keep watching Z Connect.
For the banana bread, you'll need half cup wheat flour, half cup semolina, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of maida, 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder, a pinch of sea salt, 2 eggs, half cup yogurt, a quarter cup of agave syrup, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 overripe bananas, half teaspoon vanilla essence, 8 to 10 walnuts, 10 dates. Mix the wet and dry ingredients in and pour the batter into the loaf tin. This goes into the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 30 minutes or less. For the turmeric latte, take 100 ml milk, 100 ml water, half tablespoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon ginger powder, quarter teaspoon cinnamon powder, quarter teaspoon nutmeg powder, half a teaspoon vanilla essence, a sprinkle of freshly crushed black pepper, 1 shot espresso, and honey to taste.
Business is back to normal, but the pandemic is far from over. So do stay safe and keep sharing your thoughts and feedback with us on our social media handles below. And keep watching Z Connect. Until next week, this is me, Priya, signing off.